India, a thriving nation and home to a dynamically growing woodworking industry. The high-tech metropolis of Bangalore is the location of Homak India's modern site. From here, we serve our customers as the single-source solution provider for woodworking machinery, software, and service. Our solutions are made 100% in Homak by starting with joint research and development. We combine local expertise with the Homak Group network's over 60 years of experience and knowledge. That enables us to design unique solutions that are both economical and reliable. In our state-of-the-art factory, we create a full range of high-precision machinery, including efficient panel dividing saws and edge banding machines, as well as precision-driven CNC systems. Our modern production takes place under globally consistent Homak quality standards. In-house training and our colleagues' passion for detail result in small to large-scale solutions. All for our customers, all from one source. In keeping with the motto, we set the trends. The Homak India Experience Center allows our customers to get demonstrations of sustainable solutions for their business, thanks to its woodworking machinery and digital assistance. We are more than a solution provider. We are your partner. Our centralized 24/7 service hotline and a decentralized network of service experts spread across India ensure perfect production conditions and reliability along the entire machine life cycle.
Enter the world of unique solutions, both economical and reliable, made in Homak, and let your business grow. Because your success is our success.
Homak, your solution.